Hi, Greg Davis with MarineMax here in Savannah. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is their light blue with the silver graphics. Comes rigged with a 115 Mercury. This one's equipped with a bimini top, fusion stereo. It does have the live well under the seat now. Big change in this model was putting the fuel tank in the floor and moving the live well to the reversible pilot seat. Moving forward, you can see this model has the fishing package. It has a trolling motor panel, the bow cushion, which you see is nice because it splits where you can open each hatch for the fish box and the anchor locker. Really pretty boat. Great hull design, comes complete with a galvanized trailer. If you'd like more information on this boat, give me a call here, Savannah